dollar currency pair, 1 pip is actually equal to approximately 1/100th of a penny, because remember, we carried it out 2 extra spaces. Okay, we carried it out to 4 decimal spaces. So 1 pip is actually, in real life, the equivalent of 1/100th of a penny, approximately. But because of the tremendous leverage that we spoke about earlier, we magnify that 1/100th of a penny, and now, in a U.S. standard account, 1 pip of the euro-U.S. dollar currency pair is worth $10 US. A big difference, because you're saying right now, Ed, you're crazy. Why would I trade 1/100th of a penny? What's the point? Very true. It doesn't make any sense unless you're magnifying that with leverage. That's why the leverage is so key. So through using that magnifying glass of leverage, we're taking that tiny move in exchange rate, and the tiniest move is 1 pip, but because of leverage, that 1 pip move has